Do you want to improve memory by over 200%? Then you should probably stay for just a minute and check this out. And for those of you that don't know me, I am Marianne. I am a nurse and I have a high genetic risk of Alzheimer's, and my dad has a diagnosis. And my account focuses on brain health, Alzheimer's prevention, and risk mitigation. And if you find that information helpful or you want to learn more about it, then you should probably be following me. All right, I am so excited because here we go. I did a video letting y'all know about a study done by Dr. Michael Leon, and it was essentially well, let me just cite the study for you. Stand by. All right, here we go. So the study was overnight olfactory enrichment using an odorant diffuser to improve memory and modify, well, there's a word I can't pronounce, but anyways, so the objective was cognitive loss in older adults becoming a growing issue in society. So the whole purpose of this study was to try and find, or to see if there is a simple, inexpensive, effective in-home treatment to help improve that. And so it was conducted to explore the use of olfactory enrichment, smell stimulation, at night to improve cognitive ability in healthy older adults. So there were two groups aged 60 to 85, both male and female. One group was a control group, and the other group was assigned to an olfactory enrichment. And individuals in the enriched group were exposed to 7 different scents or odorants a week, 1 per night, for 2 hours using a odorant diffuser. Individuals in the control group had the same experience except with no smells. Neuropsychological assessments of fMRI scans were administered at the beginning of the study and then 6 months after. The results were a statistically significant 226% improvement was observed in the enriched group compared to the control group. And improved functioning was observed in a certain area of the brain. Conclusion. Well, what do you think the conclusion is? Minimal olfactory enrichment administered produces improvements in both cognitive and neural functioning. So the neuroscientist that was responsible, one of the ones responsible for this study, he developed this, and his life's work is around not just olfactory, but just senses in general. Your sense of smell is the only one that goes directly to your hippocampus. That's your memory center in your brain. So sommeliers have larger hippocampus for that reason. They're the ones that smell wine professionally. And so this is called memory air. All right, and this is a little different. And I did ask them at Memory Air. So I have been speaking with a gentleman from there, and they have not had any concerns of pet owners where their dogs and cats sleep in the bed, because this emits the smells differently than a traditional aromatherapy diffuser. So these are actually belts, and they're belts that go on into the device, all right? So I'm just showing you guys this. I am going on vacation next week, so when you get the device, I did a memory test, and so then I'll test again in 4 months, but I may start the device after I get back from vacation, and I'm also going to get one for my dad as well. So I'm really excited about that. So yes, this is pricey. I am working on getting you guys like a 20 to 25% discount. If you want to just check it out, it is in the link in my bio. These kind of investments for me are worth it. So recently I paid $600 for Better Brain. It's a website where you can get a bunch of labs related to brain health, and also p-tau 217 is one of those labs which can detect brain changes for 10 to 15 years before you see the symptoms. So I recently did that. So these kind of investments when it comes to brain health, they are very important to me because of my high genetic risk. I have a family history, I am a woman, and I'm getting older. So I have all the odds stacked against me. So prevention is my personal mission, and to empower you all. So I know people will see this and the price is expensive. It is not cheap, I'm not even gonna lie. But If you want to check out the device and just read about it, it was one of Time's best inventions for 2025. The device was just released in 2025, so this is brand new. But you can check it out in the link in my bio, just so you can get an idea. Don't get it yet unless you want to, but I'm working on getting you guys like a 20 to 25% discount code. So I just wanted to kind of introduce it and show it to you guys and tell you guys about it because I've been so excited about it. So yeah, and let me just show you guys what the device itself looks like. All right, so as, again, it emits scent differently than a diffuser, an aromatherapy diffuser. So there are belts in here. Okay. So the way this works is a belt, the belt that comes with it, which I will show you guys when I do it. I'm not doing it now, but this is the belt. The belt goes around here and you replace the belt every 30 days. Then you turn the button on. It is 40 different scents that emit twice throughout the night. So in different, so isolated scents, not at the same time, over the course of, I think, 5 hours. So essentially with that, with 40 different scents twice a night, you are getting 80 different stimulations while you sleep. Yeah. It is not just following, like that case study only did minimal of what this bad boy does. This actually mimics, there was a study done in Korea. I also have that. I'm not gonna read that to you, but it was on patients with dementia. And they did intense olfactory training. This is what this mimics. And it doesn't just have to be done at night. You can have it next to your desk, you know, while you work, but it emits isolated scents, so you don't want to mix the scents, and it emits all the different scents throughout the course of an evening. Yeah, so it's incredible. And the group that had the intensive olfactory training in the study done in Korea, huge improvements in cognition and functioning and depression also. There's a power button right there. Okay, and then you just close the device, and so here you go. Check it out. I'll be probably, I don't know, I may go ahead and get it started. We'll see. I'm gonna miss a week of it because I will be out of town for a week. All right, have a great